so I have done a total of 4 inches of lift. Before I show you that, I wanted to show you how bad the alignment was right after I lifted it an extra 2 inches. It was really bad, so here, check it out. That was pretty bad. Both wheels were towed in, so they were fighting each other, and it was just squealing going straight, but every time I jerked the wheel, it would squeal a little bit too. But here's the video. I put OEM springs on and took the eye box off, and as you can see, noticeably taller. Quite a big gap there. And the rear didn't raise up enough though, so I've got a solution for that real quick. I'll show you. But I am going to get it higher up than this, and then we'll get those off-road wheels and tires. The tires that were on those wheels are not off-road tires, but they'll work for right now. I'm going to be ordering some really meaty off-road tires, and since it rained, I might go have some fun in it. So let me get to showing how I'll do the back. Now that I showed you the front, I'll show you what I'm doing for the rear. This is just a coil spacer. It's a 1-inch lift basically. It just goes in between the spring. I'm not using it in between the spring. I drilled a hole on each side, used a zip tie to temporarily hold it together while it gets all in there, and then we'll put this on top to add more space to lift the rear, because you saw how it was sagging. So I'm going to get to that right now. Alright, so it's a muddy mess, but that's what it looks like with both spacers installed. Stock springs. So we'll see if it raised it up any. Definitely has a bigger gap than before. So I'm going to do that to the other side. I've got all OEM springs on, so it raised it up. Look at the gap on this thing. It's huge. Look at this. It's not on any jacks or jack stands. So I think once I get those wheels and tires back on here, it'll look really good. I'm going to go with a more aggressive off-road tire than what was on those wheels, but it'll still look pretty good with the tire combo that was on there already, but these wheels have got to go. There it is with all the OEM springs and boosters in. So this is about as much lift as I'm going to get out of it for right now. I will be doing aftermarket coilovers, so eventually I will be getting those and seeing how high we can go with those and spacers. But this will work for now. I have plenty of clearance and it rides amazing. So I'm definitely going to get some videos of it playing in the mud, of course, and having some fun. So definitely stay tuned, everyone. Thanks for watching. Hope this video has helped someone wanting to lift their vehicle. It's a pretty simple process. Those coil boosters were only like $5.99 each at AutoZone, so they're pretty cheap. The other kit, link will be in the description as well. The ones that I used to boost the factory struts, the 40mm spacer and the 30mm spacer. I'll have links for those in the description as well. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay awesome. God bless.